winji mano kendo jatend piny no. Haya piny owacho dok ne chenro maikelo mano ni chudo mar omenda mag somo kata school fees otim kokalo mbui mar eCitizen. Jatend migawo mar somo Ezekiel Mashogu wacho ni chenro no geto kelo ler kod bidhruok e chenro mar chulo omenda e skunde. Migawo mar chenro mag omenda kata mag oganda kokalo kuom jagoro Julius Bitok wacho ni lokruok ma kamano ibiro tim e yor kidam kichako gi skunde madongo kapok otim mago mag counties. Osingo ni tend skunde biro yudo omenda mana kaka jopuonjre chulo e mbui kanyo. Riwruok jopuonj mar KUPPET noseseo chenro no ka penjo kit agulu ma omenda no winjo bed ni donjoe.
The schools operate different accounts. Which account does the cabinet principal secretary want the schools to submit? The boarding is not run by government, whether it is a national school or a day school or a county school. That boarding section is not run by government. It is run by parents in liaison with the schools. So how is the minister or the cabinet or the principal secretary suggesting to us that with the e-platform, then the tag we have always given them that our public secondary schools are the largest private enterprises is going to be removed?
Msiwe na wasiwasi. Hii maneno ya kuja kusumbua wazazi na hiyo kodi ya shilingi 50. Kama Ruto hatasikia, mimi ni wakili. Tutaenda kotini na tutaisimamisha hiyo. Kwa sababu hatutaki kuongezea mzigo wananchi.
Heads of schools are saying they have not been consulted. The education stakeholders have not been consulted. President Ruto, we shall come for you if you force principals to go into one portal which already has leakages. We shall come for you and we shall demand that you demonstrate that there was public participation.
Jod Bura Magazimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance